खंयच्याय परिस्थितीत जमनीचे बेकायदेशीर रूपांतर करपाक दिवचो ना, बेकायदेशीर कामां करतल्याक सोडचो ना, टीसीपी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन सांगले. कळंगूट, कानोळी, पर्रा, हडफडे, नागवे आनी मुरगांवच्या निलंबीत ओडीपी संदर्भातलो निमणो निर्णय 10 दिसां भितर घेतले, अशें राणेन सांगले.
ओडीपीचो नियाळ घेवपाक आनी चवकशे खातीर तयार केल्ले समिती बरोबर टीसीपी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन बसका घेतली. खंयचेय परिस्थितीत जमनीचे बेकायदेशीर कन्वर्शन करपाक दिवचो ना, तशेंच संधी आनी ओडीपीचेरय तो उलयलो.
So today there were a lot of issues that were taken up in the meeting, and where more or less we have decided how best we can protect and see how we can take Goa on a very progressive path. Before going ahead, I would like to take and make a mention to the people of the state that we are here to see that we have a progressive state, we have a progressive department in the town planning department, and to see how we can see and build investor confidence also, and also same time people who are involved in illegalities, whoever they are, action will be taken against those people. We will not allow the conversion of tenanted land. At least me, as long as I am town planning minister, no conversion of tenanted land, no conversion of non-development slopes, no conversion of khazan lands, no conversion and filling up of fields, except if it is an extraordinary government project and other things, we will allow such permission. As today's meeting, we had a brief discussion initially of basically the ODP that are suspended. I think today some people were just trying to misguide the people of the state of Goa that the summons that are already issued will be withdrawn. We did not say any such thing. The order says that now if anybody goes till the suspension is removed, fresh summons should not be given. That's all is a request, suggestion that this thing, a letter that has been sent from our department to to the revenue department to request them. Now, as far as by in another 1 week's time, I think we'll be able to finalize. The team is working very hard under the CTP, and the team members, all of them are trying their best to see that all the illegalities and all these other things are removed from the Karangut, Kandolim, Nagoa and all these ODPs, so that we are able to finalize this once and for all. We are assured that within 60 days, we will do plus minus 15 days is a question. We will finish it off. According to me, by the 15th, 16th, we should be in a better position to submit the report. They will submit the report to us, which is the process. After submitting the report to us, we will adopt that report, and then we will take it forward. And this will be the areas that remain in those particular ODPs. त्याचबरोबर we discussed about expression of interest of the taking on board the consultants, which will be listed. About 7-8 consultants we'll have on our panel, which can be used by different by the town planning board in case we want to make zoning plans, or in case the PDAs want to utilize these consultants. Regarding demarcation of buffer zone around heritage areas, हे आम्ही already direction दिल्ले आसा, CTP direction दिल्ले आसा, आणि हे सगळे आम्ही करतले. म्हणजे 100 meters from the archaeological survey of India जे sites आसा तेजे भितर आम्ही नाल्यार कितें जातालें पयलीं रिजनल प्लॅन 21 ते खंयच डिमार्केट जावंक ना. फाल्यां तुमी ओल्ड गोवा गेल्यार गोवन हेरिटेज जर मेंटेन करूंक जाय तर थंय गेल्यार काय हेरिटेज सायटान ASIचे लिस्ट प्रमाणे जे मॉन्युमेंट्स आसा तेजे भोवती आमी परमिशन दिताले. ते परमिशन दिवपाचे बंद जातले, कारण तेजे भोवती 100 मिटर्स आमी ह्यो सगळ्यो गोष्टी करतले. मेन म्हणजे कितें की कोणाकूच ह्यो सगळे तरेतरेचे गोष्टी TDRचे आनी वेगवेगळे तरेचे गोष्टी आमी आयज डिसिजन घेतलेले आसा. आनी त्याच बरोबर आनी एक व्हडली डिसिजन आमी जे घेतल्या की बोर्ड अंडर सेक्शन 33 ऑफ द एक्ट, बोर्ड इज assuming the powers of these ODPs which are in draft state, and the board along with the respective member secretary and whoever the bodies of these CRIDA and all these and our CTP and members of the board, they and the consultant taking on the board, they will form the new ODPs, whichever is the draft ODPs are concerned.
गोवा 365 खातीर श्यामचारी.